The other part of our body that our skeleton costume is unlikely to cover are our hands. So I recommend going out and getting yourself a pair of skeleton gloves. These are pretty cool. They're not too pricey, and a lot of costume stores will also carry them. You may be able to find them at a thrift store as well, but that's less certain. A costume store is a safer bet. These are really great because they will naturally extend our costume from our arm up into our hands. They're also long enough where you'll be able to tuck your costume in so you won't have the little strip of flesh going on here. They'll be able to it'll be nice and seamless with, the bone going up here and then your hand bones will be starting right after that. So it's a nice add-on to your costume, again, to get more of that holistic effect that we're going for. Not to have skeletons with human hands or skeletons with a fleshy bit showing. In addition, these aren't too warm. Some of the other costume hands can get quite toasty. These aren't that bad, and they're very simple to take on and off. So if you get a little warm, step outside of the party for a second and take it off, air out your hand, then you can put them right back on a couple seconds flat.